Bro, what's that glowing red button? A surprise upgrade. Trust me. Last time you said trust me, we ended up in a tree. But this time we aim higher. Space, maybe.
Eugene, whoa! What does the button do? I don't know. I forgot to label it.
Let's test it.
No, don't tell!
Button activated.
Why is it jumping?
Turn it off. I can't. It locked.
Bro, we're heading for the ramp again! This was not the button I bro, you didn't plan anything!
See? Perfect. We landed because the scooter passed out. Want to press the blue button next? No more buttons!